Living in the light is very powerful. It can transform your life. Dr. Wayne Dyer, author of The Sky is the Limit, since its publication more than a decade ago. Creative visualization had helped thousands of people explore and connect with their higher selves and create dynamic changes in their lives. Now Shakti Gawain leads readers on a new journey of spiritual growth and fulfillment in living in the light. Using simple, effective exercise, meditations, and affirmations, Shakti Gawain gently shows you the path of getting in touch with your intuition and acting on it. Learning to trust the creativity that flows through the universe. The source of intuition can transform your life in many ways by creating new patterns for successful relationships, discovering the energy of the universe within your sexual being, finding the work that you love, and blurring the line between work and play. Nurturing the spiritual power of your children, overcoming the negative thinking that limits your finances, health, and happiness. A clear and practical guide for developing your intuition. Living in the light shows the way to greater aliveness and creativity and to a transformation of the world around you. This is the summary of Living in the Light, a guide of personal transformation, written by Shakti Gawain. Thanks for review this summary of book. Like, comment and share this video with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Background Starhill for more awesome videos.
Background Starhill. Background Starhill. Background Starhill. Most popular motion graphics channel on YouTube.